Kit, on behalf of the Filipino community here in The Hague and all over the world, belated happy birthday to you. We know na nag-celebrate ka ng birthday mo sa hospital. Do you have any wishes for this year celebration for of your birthday?
I think still the same, no? Well, pinalaki kaming ganun, so I treat my birthday as just a normal day, and same as my siblings, kasi yun yung turo ng papa namin. Maybe the same wish that Tatay Digong will be brought home alive, happy, healthy, safe, and sound.
Kitty, how's former President Duterte today?
He looks good, actually. I was surprised. Kaya, contrary to the, ano ba yung mga abog dito? Contrary to the, past few times na I visited na medyo parang emotional ako, he looked good today. Pagdating niya, sabi niya, wow, mas lalo daw akong gumanda. Kasi naka-lipstick ako kanina. Sabi ko kaya, Papa, wag mo ako paiyakin kasi naka-lipstick ako ngayon. He looked good, and he has a message for everyone. Try to remember it in verbatim. Sabi niya, he said, nangangamusta ako sa inyong lahat. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. Daghang salamat sa loyalty, and I hope I will be able to repay it soon. Balang araw daw. And ayun, even sa mga tao, even sa supporters na all over, not just the OFW, sa buong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat for your loyalty.
Did the former president greeted you on your birthday, Kit? Did the former president greeted you on your birthday?
Yes, he did greet me kasi tumawag kami. He calls me 4 times a week. He greeted me, I think, the day before my birthday kasi walang calls on Friday, and then my birthday fell on a Friday. So, naka-greet pa rin siya. But I was in the hospital at that time. And then pagtawag niya, sabi niya, happy birthday, ganun. Nung nagsalita ako, sabi niya, parang may sakit ka, parang iba. Doon ko na inamin na I was in the hospital. Kasi, alam niya eh. Sabi niya, Papa always knows, Papa can discern.